Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about the polymorphism from C Sharp programming language. Let's get started. Polymorphism, the ability to perform an operation on an object without knowing the precise type of the object. If you know before, the object will be stored in the heap. Whereas for value like string, boolean, integer will be stored in the stack. The main function of this polymorphism is to make one method or any method to have any form, any behavior, depend on the context. Okay, I will say again. The polymorphism is to make a method or object has more any character depend on context. If you see on this form, you can use this poly as polymorphism and then object O. If you see on this result like this, polymorphism didn't will say in specific value. Okay, not knowing for a specific this value. You don't need insert integer in here or string in here. No need. You just use this polymorphism. Question: how can we treat value and reference types polymorphically? Okay, I will remain here. Value will be stored in stack, whereas reference will be stored in heap. How can we treat value and reference types polymorphically? How does an int value type get converted into an object reference type? Okay, and the answer with boxing. There are two types for this, like converter, boxing. You can convert your value into reference. Value reference. If you want to convert from reference into value, you can use unboxing. Only value types get boxed. Reference types do not get boxed. Boxing copies a value type, integer, boolean, and extra into a reference type. in object. Okay, it will be saved in stack, and this it will be stored in heap. Each value type has corresponding hidden reference type. Note that a reference type copy is made of the value type. Okay, reference type just copy value type. Value types are never aliased. Never aliased. Value type is converted implicit to object. I hope you understand about the means of implicit. Implicit, it means never data will be lost. Okay, so your data move from one place to another place without losing data. A reference type. Okay, essential and upcast. If you know there are two casts, upcast and downcast. Unboxing. Inverse operation of boxing. If you know before boxing to convert from value into reference, whereas for unboxing inverse from reference into value. Copies the value out of the box. Copies from reference type to value type. Value, okay, same. Reference requires an explicit conversion. Okay, I will remind you explicit. If before implicit, implicit, and this explicit, it is different concept. If implicit, your data didn't atau will not get lost data, but for this explicit, maybe any your data will be lost. Okay, may not succeed like all explicit conversion. Essential and don't kiss. If in boxing up kiss and for unboxing don't kiss. If I draw for make you can imagination, this is object, sorry, class, and this class has object, and this object has property. Okay, and for this don't case, if you use don't case, so you have, if you want to access this object, for example this object is dog. If you want to access this method dog and you need bark, so you have to don't casting animal to this dog use method like this, dog. Or I will write like this. You get bark from this dog. Use this form, dog dot bark, parenthesis and semicolon. Okay, like this. Boxing and unboxing. Okay, I will remind you. Boxing, converting from value into reference. But for unboxing, converting from reference to value. It means value types or reference type. This example like this as value and this as reference. Value, reference, and this as value. If you want to convert from this value into reference, this is a boxing. Whereas if you want to reverse from this reference into value, this name is unboxing. You can see in here the value type is integer and this is as number 1 2 3 and object as reference. If you see in this system dot in32, the default of this value, it will be saved in stack. But because you want to convert from stack into heap, so this system dot in32 will be stored in the heap. Benefits of boxing enables polymorphism across all types, value types, or reference type. Collection classes work with all types, eliminates need for wrapper classes, replace OLE automation variant. Lots of examples in .NET framework. If you see on this table, it has a pairs key value, and every key has a unique number. Okay, you can see on this unique 0 1 2, and this is flexible. If you want to change the position, string you move in here, or this integer you move in here, it is okay, no problem. Disadvantages of boxing: performance costs. The need for boxing will decrease when the CLR supports generic, similar to C++ templates. I hope you know for this learning about the polymorphism, boxing, and unboxing. I hope you understand the basic of this. If you have any question about this, you can comment on below this video. Thank you so much for your watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video in to your friends. See you next time and goodbye.